In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Miro. By the end, you'll be able to embed a YouTube video directly on your board so teammates can watch it without leaving your canvas. Start by opening Miro and heading to your dashboard. Click the board where you want the video to live. If you're working with a team, pick the board everyone already uses so the video is easy to find later. Once your board is open, look for the plus icon. This is the menu for adding content. Click it, then use the search field to type video. You'll see an option to embed using an iframe. Choose that option. Don't worry if iframe sounds technical, you're just going to paste a code that YouTube gives you and Miro will handle the rest. Now switch over to YouTube and open the video you want to add. Under the video, click the share button, then select embed. A box will appear with some code. Click copy to grab the entire iframe code. If you don't see the embed option, the video owner may have disabled embedding and you'll need to choose another video. Otherwise, head back to Miro. In Miro, paste the iframe code into the embed field you opened earlier and confirm. Miro will place a video thumbnail right on your canvas. Give it a moment to load. When you see the preview, you're ready to position it. Click and drag the video to move it where you want on the board. If your canvas is busy, zoom out to get a better overview, then drag it into a clear area. You can also zoom back in to fine-tune placement. Miro's smart guides will help you align it with other elements so everything looks clean and organized. To adjust the size, select the video and drag the corner handles. This keeps the proportions looking right. Make it large enough to read the title and controls comfortably, especially if you plan to present or share your screen. If you drag it by the center, you'll move it without changing the size, which is handy when you're finalizing layout. When you're ready to play, click the video's play button right on the board. Use the built-in controls to pause, scrub, or change volume. If you don't hear sound immediately, check the player's mute icon and your system volume. That's it. You opened your board, embedded the YouTube iframe, placed the thumbnail, adjusted size and position, and played the video, all inside Miro. Thanks for watching and enjoy keeping your content and collaboration in one place.